Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually lock channels on your Startimes decoder. So maybe it's an outdoor channel or a particular channel that you don't want anyone to get access to it. All you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button, that's the M symbol on your remote. So you press on it and here use the volume down button or the left arrow button to actually shift it onto the other side, and come to the settings button or the settings option over here, press OK on it, and here you come down to the second option, that is parental control. You press OK on it and it's requesting for the default pin or the password of your decoder, which have to be zeros, 6 zeros right there. If it doesn't open, someone have changed it. Alright, so you come to the lock management over here, that's the second option or the middle one. You come here and then you select, you press OK. As you can see, the lock, it has been locked, the symbol of lock over there. You select the particular channel that you wanna lock it and you press on the exit button and it's gonna save automatically. So let's check whether those channels have been locked successfully. As you can see, have the lock sign is on it, and in case you want to watch it, it will request for the default code. And if those code is so simple for you or so easy, just go back to the menu once again, the same place, and then you can change it over there. So you come to the third option, that's the change decoder pin, and then key in the current pin, which is the zeros, and then come to the new one and you confirm as well. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.